one Sanjay Nagvekar is a resident of Wade, appeared before us, and informed that lodge his complaint that his uncle is having a godown where he used to store the electrical goods, and he is having shop in Vasco, electrical shop. So all the goods he used to store in his godown at Wade. So he found the shutter of the shop is bent. So accordingly he opened the shutter and checked, and he found that some of the cables, electric cables, are stolen. So further he checked the CCTV inside the shop, and he found that 3 unknown culprits are entering into the shop and committing the theft of that said cable wire. So in this connection, yesterday we registered the crime under section 457 380 IPC, and we started our investigation. So after conducting the meticulous investigation and collection of intelligence by our LIB staff, that is Santosh Bhatkar and Purushottam Naik, we have managed to nab the 3 culprits which were seen on the CCTV. So we took the custody of the said 3 persons and we interrogated them. So during the interrogation, we came to know that another 1 person is involved with them in this theft. So accordingly, finally we managed to recover the stolen goods, that is electric cables, about 1,400 meters of various sizes, worth of 80,000 rupees. And presently we arrested 4 persons in the crime, and our further investigation is in progress. Occurred on 15th July in the morning time at 2:10 hours, and it is a godown is in Vasco, near opposite Vasco Tower.
So एक पहिलीच्या ठिकाणी crime झालेला आहे धरला.
Yes, many of all the 3 persons are involved in previously also in theft cases. Their names are Khaja Golar, age about 30 years, Aslam Saab Sheikh, 37 years, Yallappa Hajranu, 39 years, and Jafar Khan, 39 years, all residents of Vasco. And previously also they are involved in such type of theft.
Have they been taken in police custody?
Yes, they are arrested.